Hello students, I am Varadarajan. Now I am going to discuss about the important topics of hydraulics and pneumatics. Before start our discussion, I will tell you something. You already know about that. We already completed our syllabus. But these types of videos and assignments in Google Classroom definitely will give you a better strategy to prepare your subjects. That's why we are taking these types of efforts. So we are expecting your full cooperation in that. Thank you. Let will start our discussion. So the first unit is ME 8694 hydraulics and pneumatics for mechanical engineering. It will be common for mechanical and mechatronics engineering subject. So mechanical, the heading is hydraulics and pneumatics. ME8694, the subject code, and the mechatronics is ME8591, applied hydraulics and pneumatics. So the syllabus is very common, so only the subject code it will be different. Okay, so let will start our discussion from the unit wise. So here the first unit, fluid power principle and hydraulics pumps. So in this unit we are going to see the important topics. So we are making a topic one by one. Let us see. The first one is introduction to fluid power. So here in this topic we must study the types of fluids and the properties of fluid. So it will be the university question. It will be asking so many times in the university examination. So second topic is Pascal law. So Pascal law and their application and construction. So it will be a very important topic. So third one is pumps. So pumps we already discussed positive and non-positive displacement pumps, axial pumps, radial pumps. So in these pumps area we will give the so much of importance because so many questions asking this area. So we must draw the need diagram and we must know about the clear cut principle, working principle for the different types of pumps. So we must give the most preference for the pumps area. And the fourth and final topic is work power and torque and pump related problems. So in these problems they are asking for equations, Darcy-Weber equations, Reynolds number. So these types of equation we must know. So then only we can carry these problems. So in this first unit we must focus on these four topics. Definitely we will get the good marks in this first unit. So thank you. Let us see the second unit. Okay.